Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 31st January 2022, and I am teaching you chapter number 20, Unity in Diversity. So student, that do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous videos we have completed the book exercises of the chapter. Okay, after that we have completed question number D also, give short answer to the following questions, and after that we started question number E, answer the following question. Question number E, answer the following questions. So question number A, or you can say question number 1 is, what does our national animal symbolize? Okay, and what is a project tiger? So this question we have already completed in our, we have already written this question in our classwork copy in the previous video. So now we will start with question number 2, that is, why are national symbols important? Now we will start in today video. We will start from question number 2. Question 2, why are national symbols important? So note down the answer. So why these national symbols are very important, student? So these national symbols are very important because they carry ideals and concept based on what a symbol represent. So what does it mean? It means that they bind the nation together and stand for our country and represent our country, India. Okay. See, there is lot of importance of these symbols, national symbols, because there is lot of importance of these symbols, because student, our which type of a government is in our country, that is a democracy. गवर्नमेंट मेड अप ऑफ ए पीपल, बाय द पीपल एंड फॉर द पीपल. गवर्नमेंट जो गवर्नमेंट होती है बेटा, जो सरकार बनती है, वो पीपल, उसमें जो पीपल्स होते हैं वो उनको इलेक्ट करने वाले भी पीपल ही होते हैं. ठीक है, उनको वोटिंग करने वाले. ठीक है, और उनके वेलफेयर के लिए वर्कआउट करने वाले भी पीपल ही हैं. तो दैट इज द रीजन. एंड एज वी नो दैट पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स आर लिविंग इन आवर कंट्री, and in every part of the country, according to the religions, we also celebrate many festivals. Every religion have their own festival, which we have already discussed in chapter number 18, our festival. So there is a lot of differences among the people according to religion also, and according to caste system also. So these national, that is the reason these national symbols are very important, because these symbols bind us together, that we, whether we are belonging to any religion or any caste, the only thing is that we are Indians. Okay, the only thing is that, so by these symbols play a very important role, because these symbols bind us together. okay, that we all belonging to the country, that is our country India. So note down the answer. National symbols, national national symbols are important because national symbols are important because they because they carry idols and and concepts, idol and concepts based on what symbol, what symbol represent, what symbol represent, that is they bind the nation together and stand for our country, country and represent our country India. So why are national symbol important? National symbols are important because they carry idols and concept based on what symbol represent. Okay, that is they bind the nation together and stand for our country and represent our country, that is इंडिया. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब बेटा नेशनल सिंबल्स की बात आती है, नेशनल फ्लैग्स की बात आती है, तो हम उस समय ये भूल जाते हैं कि हम वेदर वी आर बिलोंगिंग टू एनी रिलीजन और एनी कास्ट. एट दैट टाइम वी ओनली थिंक दैट वी आर द सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री, हम इस कंट्री के सिटीजन हैं, और तब हम रिलीजन और कास्ट की बात ना करके हम ये मानते हैं कि हम सारे के सारे पर्सन किस कंट्री को बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, दैट इज इंडिया. That is India. That is the reason there is lot of importance of these symbols. That is the reason these symbols are very important to bind the nation together. So you can note down the answer or you can also take the screenshot. Next, name any three things that have the national emblem. Why? Question 3. Name any three things that have the national emblem. And why? Okay, now see where you see this symbol of a national emblem. So we find national emblem on all currency notes, coins and paper of the government. ठीक है, जो आपका ये है बेटा, मैं दिखा देता हूं. see Satymev Jayate, it is written here. So this symbol you will find in all the coins, notes and government papers. Okay, so we find national emblem on all currency notes, coins and paper of the government. They are found on the above mentioned because they carry meaning, values and ideas. They facilitate communication and identification on the currencies. तो ये क्या हमारा नेशनल एम्बलम है. जहाँ भी आप इसको देखोगे तो इससे हमें ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये सारी चीज़ें किसको बिलोंग कर रही हैं, हमारी कंट्री इंडिया को. ठीक है, इसलिए इंडिया की जो हर कंट्री के अलग अलग सिंबल्स होते हैं. अब ये सिंबल जिस भी नोट या कॉइन्स पे आप देखोगे या गवर्नमेंट पेपर्स पे देखोगे तो दैट थिंग्स बिलोंग्स टू विच कंट्री, दीज थिंग्स बिलोंग्स टू आवर कंट्री, दैट इज इंडिया. ठीक है, तो आपको ये कॉइन्स पे भी देखने के लिए मिलेंगे, आपको नोट्स पे भी देखने के लिए मिलेंगे, और जो गवर्नमेंट पेपर होते हैं. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट पेपर जैसे आपने जमीन खरीदी, अपने नाम से कोई लैंड खरीद लिया. ठीक है, तो ये सब पेपर जो होते हैं वहाँ भी आपको ये जो एम्बलम सिंबल्स आपको देखने के लिए मिलते हैं. ठीक है, सो इट हैज़ अ वैल्यू. सो नोट डाउन द आंसर. वी फाइंड द नेशनल एम्बलम, we find national emblem on all currency notes, coins and papers of the government, and papers of the government. They are found on the above mentioned because they carry meaning value and idols. They facilitate communication and identification. On the currency. Okay. So we find Ashambo on all currency notes, coins and paper of the government. They are found on the above mentioned because they carry meaning, values and idols. They facilitate communication and identification on the currency. Now see, now note down the homework, what you will now we have completed all the book exercises of the chapter. Now homework for you. First one, draw your national flag. Draw your national flag and color it. You will draw, okay? Draw your national flag, you will draw your national flag, and after drawing the national flag, you will color it. Second, what you will do, collect and paste pictures of the national, collect and paste picture of the national symbols of India. Collect and paste picture of the national symbols of India. Okay, so this work you have to complete. This is the homework for you. What the diagram you will draw. So you will complete this in your classwork copy. ठीक है? You will draw a diagram of a national flag in the classwork copy and you will paste the picture of the national symbols of India. So, or you will complete this work in your classwork copy. Okay, thank you student.